Hi, I thought I'd make a quick video on the 2020 weekly supplement, which could fit into your A6, with the Hobonichi 2021 sales happening next week, September 1, 2, 3, or October 1, depending on what you're going to buy. I wanted to just share this with you in case you decide that this might be something that you want to buy, but you're not sure how it looks, or if it's for you. This is an A6 pencil board. You can see how small it is in comparison. And it's basically just a weekly layout. So this is the front of the book. This is the first week layout. And as you can see, I am not shy with the stickers. And then later on on the other pages, I do use washi tape. I wasn't sure at the beginning of the year whether or not I was going to like this book, and I actually do. It's very abbreviated, the information that I keep in here, and I like it because at a glance I can tell what I've done, what I've watched, things like that. And I keep this in my A6 leather, my 5-year Hobonichi book cover, because my 5-year is, as if you may remember, is really, really thick and fat, and it won't fit into my leather cover anymore. But so this is what it looks like, and let me zoom up. Okay, so this is what a blank layout would look like. So you can see how small, again, A6, how small it is. So you can't keep a whole lot of information here, especially if you write big like I do. So I have to write really small. So I need my reading glasses to be able to see what I'm doing. This is this week with my washi tapes, my stickers. I generally put the things that I want to get done on top. And yeah, so this is last week and the week before. It was really, really hot. I think we hit 109. Not the hottest summer. The hottest summer we had was 2 years ago, and we hit either 116 or 119, which is hot for Southern California. I am zone 10B, which is, I don't know, we're 1 block away from the sun. It is so hot, and it's been humid lately too the past couple of years, but that's neither here nor there. But this has been a really fun, cute little book. I think it's great to have. It's very light. You know, again, this is how thick it is with the washi and the stickers. But I think it's nice to have if you want to carry it around with you, and then at a glance know what you need. You know, you can keep your appointments in here, and then know what you need to get done, or what you have to do, or what you've done already and you weren't too sure what day you've done it. But I'm definitely going to get another one for 2021. I still haven't decided yet cover wise what covers I will be buying for 2021. I was hoping to get a new cousin cover, and I'm not really happy with any of the cousin cover that they've got lined up for sale. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, please hit like and hit subscribe. I do plan and hope to upload at least once a week. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!